Hi and welcome back everybody. First of all, I want to thank all the subscribers that subscribed yet and they follow me on YouTube. That's why we make these videos, me and a lot of others working on Beetles, do it yourself with a minimum of professional tools. So here we go, fixing this hole, and I hope you enjoy it. So now this hole, first cleaning up so you can see the damage. After that I will decide where I will cut and what I will renew. Let's clean this up and see how bad it is. Well, I guess it will be better to take the whole plate off for welding purposes only. Let me drill out those spot welds and hopefully I can restore that piece. Well, my camera had some tricks now, so I lost the footage of drilling those spot welds out. So I have drilled spot welds out and tapped it loose. 2 here, 2 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. So now I will try to tap them off. I have cleaned it before so I can see how much the damage is, so I decided to take this piece off so I can work underneath on the body, and then I will patch this up so I have a new a beautiful piece to put it back. So now we tap this off. I will drill it some more. There it is. So let's see with this one. We clean this up and we'll see how bad it is. As you can see, it's very thin metal, but it's only this hole here, so I will cut it out from here to there and to there. And I'll do it with the little one. I can say this is enough, but I love this tool very much. Oops. This tool is a very nice tool to cut precisely. So let's make another one and weld it in. This is the piece that I will weld in. So I have the old one here. I make pretty the same, yeah, but without the hole. And the metal is a little bit thicker here, but that's okay. Now we will weld this in place now. So here we go. I restored this. I put it a new plate in it, so all the rest is the same. I will weld it up and normally it will be good. I still have the piece here that was welded here on. I ground it down, but I know now that this piece is still sitting here. So we tap it in place, get some good grounds for my welder. Otherwise I will clean this a little bit here. Okay, let's fit this back into place here. Okay, now we will weld this first piece.